Hi children, good morning. This is your EVS class. Take your workbook children, page number 25. Page number 25. Okay children, see carefully, fill in the blanks. Dash your hands before and after eating. You know the answer children. We already finished this lesson. Say the answer. Yes. Wash. W-A-S-H. We should write starting all words like this. W-A-S-H. Wash your hands before and after eating. Second blank. Hold the fork in the dash hand and spoon in the dash hand. Say the answer children in first blank. S. Left. Fork in the left hand. L-E-F-T. Left. And in second blank, answer is very good. Right. R-I-G-H-T. Right. Hold the fork in left hand and spoon in right hand. Next. Third blank. Dash to God before eating and dash mom after eating. What is the first blank answer? Pray. We should pray to God before starting to eat. Pray is first blank answer. Next. And dash mom after eating. Thank. T-H-A-N-K. Thank. P-R-A-Y. Pray to God before eating and T-H-A-N-K. Thank mom after eating. Fourth blank. When you hurt someone, say dash. S. Sorry. S-O-R-R-Y. Y down letter. Should write Y down letter. Next. Take dash when you leave and enter the classroom. S. Permission. P down letter. E-R-M-I-S-S-I-O-N. Permission. Write neatly children without any mistakes. P-E-R-M-I-S-S-I-O-N. Permission. See children. Wash your hands before and after eating. Hold the fork in the left hand and spoon in the right hand. Pray to God before eating and thank mom after eating. When you hurt someone, say sorry. Take permission when you leave and enter the classroom. See children. Observe the pictures and take the good manners and cross the bad manners. See here children, what was he doing? He is eating neatly. So, here put tick mark. Yes. Next one. This is good manner or bad manner? What he was doing here? He is licking his fingers. So that is bad manner. Yes. So here you put cross mark. Next. What he is doing? He is eating food neatly. No. He is eating food not neatly. So you put wrong tick. Here he is asking pass the dish like that. So here you put tick mark. Next. What he was doing? He is not asking to that person. Just take that dish. So this is wrong. Bad manner. What he was doing? He didn't watch the TV. He is simply eating. It is good manner. So we put tick mark here. He is watching TV when eating food. So this is bad manner. So we put wrong tick. He is washing his hands. This is good manner. So we put right tick. Next page, page number 27. See children, state true or false. We shouldn't wash our hands before eating. It is true children. Should wash our hands compulsory before and after eating. Yes or no? So here what is given? Shouldn't you wash? This is false. Okay children, write neatly capital F A L S E. False. Next one. We should take small bites while eating. It is true? Yes. Take small bites when you are eating anything. So this is true. 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 It is a good habit to play with your food. It is a good habit? No. Don't play with your food. That is good habit. So this is false. 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 See children, fourth one. We shouldn't thank mom after eating food. This is good habit children. This is true? No. We should say thank you after eating food to mom. This is false sentence. FALSE. False. Fifth one. We shouldn't talk when our mouth is full. Yes, it is true. We shouldn't talk when our mouth is full. So, write here true. TRUE. Write neatly children without any spelling mistakes. TRUE. True. Sixth one. We shouldn't be on time to school. Yes, it is correct sentence. No. We should be on time to school is good etiquette at school. Yes, this is false. So write here false. 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 We should listen patiently first and then talk. It is very good. True. TRUE. We shouldn't. See children, eighth one. We shouldn't speak politely to everyone. This is correct sentence? No. What is the correct sentence? We should speak politely to everyone. This is wrong sentence. So false. This is false sentence. Write FALSE. False. See children, some table manners are listed below. Put the first missing letter of each sentence in the box provided. Write down all the missing letters in same order to make a phrase and see what is it. So children, here see carefully. First letter is missing here. In this sentence, first letter is missing. Up straight at the table. IT it only is given. Before letter is what? Guess. SIT. Sit. Sit up straight at the table. Should write here. Yes. Next. Always put your napkin in your lap. Here always the word in always word, in this word A is missing. So you should write A here. Always put your napkin in your lap. Next. May eat when everyone has been served. You may eat. Why? You may eat when everyone has been served. Don't talk with your mouth full. So here you should write LEASC before letter P. PLEASC, please. Please don't talk with your mouth full. Next sentence. Towards your place when taking a bite. Towards your place when taking a bite. Okay, children. Lean. Lean towards your place when taking a bite. Next. Small bites and swallow before talking another. Eat. Eat small bites. Okay, children. Next. Chew with your mouth closed. Here also always. Always chew with your mouth closed. Next. Others before you serve yourself. Here serve spelling. This is serve word. Yes is missing here. Serve others before you serve yourself. Yourself before leaving the table. Here you should write eat. Excuse yourself before leaving the table. See children here. Starting onwards. See carefully. SAYPLEASC. In these sentences, one word is there. That word is right here. Yes. A. Write down letter PLEASC. Please. Yes. A. Say PLEASC. Please. Say please. Okay children, write 25th page, 26th page and 27th page in your workbook without any mistakes children. We will meet again in next class. Thank you children. Take care. Bye.